Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fix My Bleep channel. Today I've got an exciting review for you. The Winix C545 True HEPA Air Purifier. So if you're looking to improve the air quality of your home or office, this could be the solution you've been searching for. So stick around till the end for all the details and my final verdict. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. So 3 things to note when you buy this particular air purifier. So it's got a 4-stage filtration built into it. It also comes with a 2-year filter supply, which is really nice straight off. You're not buying air filters. Also, it has True HEPA built right in, and it's got the plasmawave technology. So very nice features. Let's start with the basics. The Winix C545 is a True HEPA air purifier designed to remove dust, allergens, smoke, and even pet dander from air in your space. Setting up the Winix C545 is a breeze. It's really simple to unbox. It comes with a 2-year supply of extra filters. The filters are easy to install. Once installed, you just plug the unit in, put your cover on, you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the functions. The C545 offers a full range of functions and features, including True HEPA filtration. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. Next, we have plasma wave technology. This feature neutralizes viruses, bacteria, chemical, vapors, and odors. Next up, we have the smart sensors built in. This unit detects changes in air quality and adjusts the fan sensors accordingly, saving energy. Next, we have a sleep mode built in. This operates quietly while you sleep, ensuring a peaceful night's rest. And trust me, we use this all the time. Okay, here's a closer look at the air purifier and the buttons on the top of it. Let's go ahead and turn the unit on. Unit is on. Blue means good air quality. Here's our different modes right here. We're on auto mode. That's fan speed. There's night mode. You can hear it getting really quiet. This tells you your filters need to be replaced. That will alarm. I'm guessing when that time comes. Have not had that happen yet. We do use night mode all the time. Most of the time we just run it in auto mode on a low fan speed, and this does a really good job. And at night, if we have it in our bedroom, we'll kick it up to night mode and we don't even notice it. And it is actually running right now, but yeah, you can't even hear it. Put it in your kid's bedroom or whatever. The Winix C545 is competitively priced, making it a budget-friendly option compared to some of the other high-end air purifiers on the market. You can often find great deals online, so keep an eye out for discounts and promotions. I've also included a link in the description. It's currently running $157.99, so be sure and check that out when you're done watching the video. Now let's highlight some of the strong points of the Winix C545 air purifier with True HEPA. Strong point number 1 is effective filtration, probably the most important. So it's got the True HEPA filter. It's highly efficient at removing allergens and pollutants. Strong point number 2 is the quiet operation of this unit. So it's really quiet, even at higher fan speeds, making it ideal for bedrooms and offices. Strong point number 3, the smart features built in are the sensors, the plasmawave technology make it a smart choice for maintaining clean air. Strong point number 4, the energy efficiency. It's Energy Star certified, helping you save on your electricity bills, so those fans spin down when there's nothing going on with your air. Strong point number 5, a 2-year supply of filters for this baby. All in the box. Alright, time to go over a couple of the drawbacks of the Winix C545 Air Purifier, starting right now. Drawback number 1, we actually just talked about it. Over time, you'll eventually need to replace the air filters. It does come with a 2-year supply, but over the horizon you will need to start buying some of those air filters, so there is some cost added. Drawback number 2, some users have complained that the plasma wave noise is loud. I personally don't think so. You can only switch it to night mode if you have a problem with it, or just put it over in the corner of your office or bedroom or something. Hasn't bothered me, but there is that. Drawback number 3, this particular unit covers 360 square feet, so that's not like a great big huge open area, and that certainly isn't going to cover your entire house. So something to consider. So you're wondering, why is the Winix C545 a better choice than some of the other air purifiers out there on the market? So this particular one strikes a fantastic balance between price and performance. So you're getting a high quality True HEPA air purifier with all the smart features when you buy this unit without actually breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Winix C545 True HEPA air purifier is a solid choice for improving the air quality in your home, office, or workspace, with the efficient filtration, the smart technology, and the budget-friendly pricing. So this unit offers a great value, but just consider your workspace, your needs, and especially the size of your home, your office, the bedroom, or wherever you're going to put this unit before making any purchases. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and go check that out. Thanks for tuning in for the review on the Winix C545 True HEPA Air Purifier. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more information and reviews on fixes, setups, unboxing, and whatever you guys like. Be sure and leave a comment. Also, let me know what other reviews or products you'd like to see in the future. Stay safe, breathe easy, and I'll see you guys next time.